Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making country fried chicken fritters. Alright, I'm starting out in a large bowl and I have four 12.5-ounce cans of chicken that I drained real good. Squeeze the water out into a colander. Now I'm going to go in with my hands and I'm going to break this up into smaller pieces. And if you don't want to get your hands in here, you could use a, put it in a food processor or use a electric mixer and get in there. Right now that my chicken all shredded up and I washed my hands, I'm going to add in 2 eggs. Let me give my hand a quick rinse. Quick, I got some egg on it. Alright, now I'm going to add in a ½ teaspoon of dried thyme leaves. And I'm just eyeballing this. Alright. I don't spill my thyme all over the place. Now I'm using my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, garlic mixture. If you don't have this, put a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter of a teaspoon of onion powder, ½ teaspoon of salt in there, and maybe a little bit of pepper. I'm going to add in about 2 teaspoons of this. And I'm using Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm going to add in about ½ cup. And I'm going to add in a little bit of fresh diced up Italian parsley. Probably about a teaspoon. Now I'm going to get in here and stir this all together well. Alright, now I have a large skillet here with about 1/4 inch of vegetable oil in it. And due to space restrictions, I'm going to have to do this off camera. I'm going to take, I'll show you this on camera. I'm going to take a bit of that chicken mixture, about the size of a meatball, flatten it down. I'm going to dip it in some Italian breadcrumb. You want to be careful because they're super tender and they want to fall apart on you. And I'm going to get them down into the oil. Watch out when they're coming apart. I'll have to do another one and be more gentle with it. So I'm going to go ahead and get these all fried up till they're golden brown on both sides. I'll set them aside on some paper towel to drain. And then when it's time to fix up the plate, I'll bring it back. I went ahead and made some red skin mashed potatoes with some chicken gravy and some buttery corn to go with this. I'll get in and try one of these guys. You can see they're flaky like a crab cake. That's why you got to be careful when you fry them. Well seasoned, crispy on the outside, tender and moist on the inside. Guys, those are really easy and delicious. They were nothing at all to make. Alright, there you have it, country fried chicken fritters. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.